and it's yours. Great. So, okay, when adding the domain after 1 or 2 minutes, like it showed up some loading kind of icon, which has just stopped appearing, and now it shows that it's a stable domain now inside our account. Now let's set up our email services, the email accounts which we are going to connect with our domain, and then with those email addresses we will be able to send bulk emails. So once we come here on the email services tab, it says like important notification booster, email deliverability, dedicated sending domain for improvement. So here GoHighLevel is saying that to connect the domain with their email services, email sending services, so that GoHighLevel takes care of the sending deliverability, email deliverability. So let's create a dedicated domain then. Okay, on this screen we're gonna list a subdomain of our domain. Just for example, ceo.zaros-sustainablehabitat.com. So meanwhile, the thing which you need to know is I have not configured our subdomain, which is ceo.zaros-sustainablehabitat.com. So I have literally come here and just an idea, like let's make the sub account like ceo.zaros. Got it? So I just did it, and now let's click on add to verify. Add and verify. So let's turn the thing. Okay. Yes. Continue. Okay, great. So it's setting up on its own, as it has also created the subdomain on its own, and also at the same time it says your domain is already authorized. Let's click on add records. Okay. Verify domain. Please add the DNS records. It says copy. Verified. Okay, so what's happening here? DNS updates made took 60 seconds to propagate. Please retry after this period if the domain is still not verified. Verify that your DNS records are correctly configured by your provider. Okay. Okay. So I think we will have to wait some time so that the DNS changes which happened inside may get an effect. Okay, so great. Here, when we came back to our email services tab back, now it's shown as active, but here it was showing that not verified. Try verify again. So I clicked on it and it automatically got verified. Great. So here we go. So we have our subdomain ceo.zaros sustainable